Unlock seamless communication across Europe with your Orange SIM card. Here's your quick start guide. First, let's get your Orange SIM card activated. Once you've inserted your Orange SIM into your unlocked European phone, you'll typically need to dial a specific activation number or follow instructions provided with your SIM pack. This is often a simple call to a dedicated Orange service number. After dialing, you'll likely be guided through an automated menu. Listen carefully and select the options for activation and language preference. Some SIMs might require you to send a specific text message to a shortcode provided in your activation kit. Once activated, you're ready to go. Your Orange SIM usually comes with preloaded data, call minutes, and texts. Valid across many European countries. You'll receive an SMS confirming your plan details and expiry date. To use data, ensure your mobile data setting is turned on in your phone settings. For calls and texts, just use your phone's native dialer and messaging app. Your Orange SIM will automatically connect to the best available network in each country you visit. This means you can browse the web, update social media, stay in touch with loved ones, and navigate your travels without worrying about roaming charges. Enjoy your connected European adventure.